If you are using a mid-range or low-end smartphone or a device that does not have camera to API enabled, but you still want to use Google Camera, this is the right video you are watching. This video shows you how to install Google Camera Go on any of your Android device. Hi, my name is Swimil from fmjtech.com and let's get right into the video. Okay, Google Camera Go is the lighter version of GCAM which Google released recently, and this can be run on lowest powered chips as well as the lowest memory devices. Here the better part is you don't need to perform anything extra to make this APK run on your device, and it's super easy to use as well. Okay, how to install Google Camera Go on your Android device? First of all, download the APK from the link in this video description. Once that is done, install the GCAM APK. Done. Now you have successfully installed the latest Google Camera Go APK on your Android device. Let's see what all it offers. The application interface is so simple. Below you can choose between portrait mode, photo mode, video mode and a translate mode from which you can translate anything using the camera. This portrait mode brings the ability to create beautiful portrait pictures and it really works great. It also offers some very useful features like face enhance mode where you can enhance your face and make it more beautiful. The HDR mode gives your phone's camera the ability to take high quality pictures with more detail. That's a good add-up. At here you can see the total number of photos you can take depending on your phone's free storage. In the video tab also, you can see the maximum recording time available before you are running out of storage space. Now, as we know that this is the first GCAM Go port, so it may contain some bugs, so do note it, but it is still worth the shot. You can comment if you find any issues with it. I hope this video helps you a lot. If yes, drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.